This video will help you to get rid of PDF converter search-for-free.com, which is a browser hijacker that now targets many popular browsers, but mainly it attacks Google Chrome, of course. The hijacker says that you need to add the extension called PDF converter search for free. However, doing that is a very serious mistake. Also, the site tries to force you into subscribing to its web push notifications if you click on this allow button. Now, it is called hijacker because it changes your default search engine to Yahoo search. And of course, Yahoo is a good and decent search engine, but it is not not your choice to use Yahoo very often. You might be the customer of Google search, but then suddenly these pop-ups would come up and start changing your default search engine. If the extension was mistakenly added to Google Chrome, of course there is a solution to fix your browser manually. So I'm going to install the extension on purpose in order to demonstrate how to deactivate it after it was installed. Go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. So you'll find this extension in the list. You need to deactivate it and remove it. As I said, the site also displays some push notifications that are not really genuine. They might forward the browser to many suspicious pages in the internet. To deactivate them, go to the menu, click on Settings, then choose Site Settings and Notifications. Examine the Allow area and you will find this website, PDF Converter Search for Free.com. Click on this button and remove it. Finally, I also recommend that you double check your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. When the software is downloaded, it will start scanning your Mac, and at the end of scan, the detailed report will be given. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.